esquivo. Let's grab. Grammar to move from language. Grammar direction of in English. I do know. Every day food I don't I English to the position. Every day food I leave a Facebook is a thing to say because it is already busy looking for it. Nothing will be like a fish. But if you are like I'm really blessed. Well, as soon as big food start to go out, Cabrasan, the Basset, and Jimmy, I don't have the big English global position. Food you from your shoes, okay? To the position, my darling. This means that you see that I am looking for movement that you don't have as a difficult as well with your shoes. I will not frame your shoes. I will be a super position. Yes, I move. In fact, I will be like a super position, okay? Whenever I should go around. No, super position. Give me your shoes, my child. Because we can do this, you will do the dream because you have to do the dream that you can do because you super position. Whenever I should be a position, if you do not have to go around, I shall do it the restaurant. There is one hard of me, I'm giving you the front door, that's my way to do this in the rest of the own best friend. Yes, that is very like the brand of you do not have to go around, I shall do it the restaurant. Super position, my child. Super position, my baby. Yes, I'll go around. Super position, okay? I'll go slow. No. Yes, I'll go slow. I'm going to figure out my food from the street, okay? Super position, okay. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. Well, that is a way look at it. If you don't know how to go around, I said, this is the left side, also my position. If you're not so bad, yes, I'm Somali. Super position, okay? If you're go around my target, no, super position, my glove. Oh, yes, my glove, okay? I'm ready. I said, come on and figure out why you feel wrong the street, okay? First, everybody look at the same because you said you look at the way you look at me like a fish out of a belly of life. Otherwise, just left to you. Every day is left to you. Yes. So the every day you think you ground. Yes, I'm 60 ground. Second position, my child. Now,